is a personalized game that can be played in a class or sent home for students to play with their families. To create the custom bingo cards, click Bingo on the right-hand side of the home screen. A brief introduction will display, and when ready, click Let's Begin. Select the class, and then also select the students that you want to be included. Click the blue right arrow to proceed. Select a subject tab and a test. Any test with less than 8 questions are excluded from this test selection step. Click the blue right arrow to proceed. Select a card size 3x3 or 5x5. If the 3x3 is selected, an option to print 1 or 2 bingo cards per page will display. If the selected test had less than 24 questions, then only the 3x3 card option will be available. Select the difficulty level and click the blue right arrow to proceed. Select where the game will be played, in the classroom or at student's home. If at a student's home is selected, there will also be an option to list how many people will be playing. Based on the number of times you want to play, enter the quantity of unique cards per student using the up and down arrows, and then how many unique call sheets per class using the up and down arrows. Questions can be previewed by selecting Preview Questions. By default, all the questions are selected. If you wish to exclude any questions from the game, uncheck the box to the left of the question. There is a question count here at the top that displays how many questions exist against the test and how many questions are required to build the bingo card. As questions are unchecked, the question count reduces, indicating how many questions will be included on the cards. When finished, click Download Game. Print the PDF. This cover page will be the call sheet, and the pages following will be the bingo cards.